the questions in class 10th board exam are not asked in the terms of loss of electron and gain of electrons for oxidation and reduction. Yet with the help of one example I will try to make it clear so as to how we talk about oxidation and reduction in terms of gain and loss of electron. For this the most important very common example is Na and Cl. We have already discussed chemical reactions are trying to take place just to because the atoms of elements want to become stable. For becoming stable they want to get noble gas configuration. For this to get noble gas configuration it should make 8 into this third orbit, and for this one because of energy considerations there are two chances for this to make 8 in the third, that is third making 8 in third is just by gaining 7, but because of energy considerations it is not possible for this to gain 7. Rather than that it will lose 1, and that will gain 1 because energy considerations again say it is easier for chlorine to gain 1 than to lose 7. So this will gain, this will lose, so this will become Na. Now right now see, time and again we have told why they are having plus 17 because of protons, minus 17 electrons, overall charge 0, overall charge 0 here also. But when it becomes Na, 2 and 8, so plus 10, plus 11, minus 10, so plus 1 charge, that plus 1 will appear here. And when it becomes like this, chlorine, 2, 8 and 8, so plus 17, minus 18, minus 1 and minus 1 charge will appear here. Now this we will see with the help of a chemical reaction how it happens. Minus 1 here and plus 1 here. So now if I take an example Na plus Cl, 2, this will become NaCl, NaCl, and 2Na, 2Na. That is all about reaction taking place. Now for atomic equation if you want to write, you can write it like this, Na, and we can write Cl there plus Cl. See, this will definitely lose 1 electron. So I will say minus 1 electron. If it loses electron, see, loss of electron is oxidation, so it gets oxidized. And if it is oxidized, this is going to be reducing agent. Another way of looking at this being reducing agent is if this happens to lose an electron, then only this will gain electron. So the one which is responsible for making chlorine to gain an electron is sodium, and gaining of an electron here is reduction. So it is sodium which makes this reduce. So sodium is reducing agent. For chlorine we will see here that I could write again. See here what happens is need not to write now all these things. We will just write an atomic action and just to understand how reduction and oxidation is taking place. Now Cl, we have seen it is lost, it has gained electron. So plus 1 electron, let me write. It has gained 1 electron. Gain of electron here is undoubtedly reduction. So this is reduced, or its reduction has taken place. And if this is reduced, this is undoubtedly oxidizing agent. So why it is oxidizing agent? Because this is reduced. Why it is reduced? By gaining electron. So if it has gained electron, it has made sodium to lose electron, and loss of electron is oxidation. So it is chlorine which is responsible for sodium oxidation. So this is reducing agent, oxidizing agent. Chlorine has lost electron, so it is reduced. If it is reduced, it is oxidizing agent because this has gained an electron which was lost by sodium, and losing an electron was oxidation. So this is chlorine because of which oxidation of sodium has been possible. So it is oxidizing agent. So this was in terms of loss and gain of electrons. Now we will see further. One small example, with the help of that we will see how gain of metal. if I write here Na and plus O2, this will form Na to O. Na to O. 2, so to make oxygen 2 and here 4. Now you see, sodium has gained oxygen. Na has become Na2, so undoubtedly sodium has gained oxygen. And if sodium gains oxygen, this is oxidized, and if it's oxidized, it is reducing agent. Now oxygen has become Na2O, so oxygen has gained metal. Sodium is a metal, it has gained metal. Gain of metal is reduction, so this is reduced, and if this is reduced, this is oxidizing agent, because the one that is getting reduced is responsible for oxidizing another one. So this is how, in terms of gain of metal, we have seen reduction is what? Gain of metal by definition says reduction. If it is reduction, it is oxidizing agent, because only that will be able to oxidize another substance which itself will get reduced. This we have seen number of times. So this was all about this. Now yet another example that I want to tell you is this. We will take manganese dioxide MnO2 plus HCl, and this will make MnCl2 plus H2O and plus Cl2. Cl2 and Cl2, so this is 4HCl, H2O, or 2H2. So this becomes 2H2. Or else I should write it here so that we don't get an obstruction from there. It is MnO2, manganese dioxide, plus HCl, or it will become, this is MnCl2 plus H2O and plus Cl2. Now this will become 2H2O, so 4Cl, Cl2, Cl2, 4Cl, O2, O2. Yes, now it's 4. Now it is balanced. Now see here, this has become this. So I will tell a manganese dioxide by losing oxygen, it has lost oxygen. Loss of oxygen is reduction, so we will say this is reduced. This is reduced, and the one that is reduced is oxidizing agent. And HCl has become Cl. HCl has become Cl, so this has become Cl by loss of hydrogen. And loss of hydrogen by definition is oxidation. So this is oxidized, and if it is oxidized, this is reducing agent. This is reducing agent. That was all about oxidation and reduction in terms of this.